How to get invisible username on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and log into your account. Then click on User Settings at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you have clicked on User Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, beside Display Name, you'll find Edit. Click on Edit. After you've clicked on Edit, simply remove your display name and then paste invisible username. You can get it anywhere on the Chrome browser. After you've done that, press on Save Changes at the bottom. After you press on Save Changes, you're good to go. This is how to get invisible username on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.